Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Katana token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Katana KAT is a cryptocurrency that functions as the native utility and governance token for a decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem focused on yield generation and liquidity provision. Core Utility Token KAT is designed to power a DeFi platform likely used for paying transaction fees, participating in governance, and earning rewards. Yield and liquidity focus. The project centered on helping users optimize returns from their crypto assets through automated strategies and liquidity pools. Governance driven. KAT holders typically can vote on key protocols decisions, steering the ecosystem development and treasury management. Katana project institution rating is 3.9. Katana token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 2.34 billion KAT token. KAT token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.